Hey, how's it going? This is Rory from Rate My Funeral. That was Rate, by the way. So, did you see I did a review of the Creality Sermoon V1 Pro 3D printer a little while back? Well, in case you're curious as to how it's going, this is it here. It is still running, it's still working, and it's working really, really well. Here you can see it's 3D printing some little adjuster knobs that I designed for Tesla seats, for if you've lost your adjuster knob in your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. These are the replacement for it. But this printer is churning them out. It's brilliant.